Good morning, Muppers. Welcome to Luang Prabang in Laos. I got here on a slow boat for 2 days. We arrived yesterday, me and Alex, and also guess who we've met up with again? Avicii. But we're going to a waterfall now. Hope it's going to be cool. Don't know too much about it, but it's meant to be one of the best things to do in Luang Prabang. So we're getting tuk-tuk now at 8:40 a.m. Sorry, 8:45. It's 8:45 now. So we're going. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe. You know, the usual stuff. Let's go. Just for reference, it costs 40,000 each for this minivan there. That's about €4 a head. And motorbikes here in Luang Prabang seem to cost so much more than everywhere else I've been in Asia. You're looking at 90,000 kip or €9 without petrol. So that's ridiculous for 24 hours. So we've been kicked off this minivan and onto another one. You're gonna bring your seat with you, Alex, yeah?
Yeah, it's fine.
So we've arrived at Kuang Waterfall. Now there's a little bit of a walk down to it, but you saw that we got onto another minibus and Alex, there was no seat for him, so he sat on this wooden stump.
Yeah, not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be.
And he didn't care. You were leaning forward for the whole trip. If that was me, I would have went bananas. I wouldn't have sat there, no way. I would have went absolutely crazy.
One of the bad things about being too patient. My first reaction wasn't.
He didn't care. He was laughing. He was enjoying it. I mean, oh my god. So there are moon bears and sun bears. Never seen them before. Saw black bears in Canada and grizzlies, but never saw these ones before. Do you like watching caged animals, guys?
I don't know, these guys are pretty interesting.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Bit cruel, isn't it? Just lob a few bears into a box and I don't know. I am against it. Hold on, apparently it's actually a sanctuary for rescued bears, but I mean, they don't look very happy. They don't look very happy in there, guys, come on. Without a doubt, the nicest waterfall I've seen in Asia so far. It's like split into 3 sections with loads of small little waterfalls and pools, and then a 60-meter drop up at the very top, which we've yet to see. We're walking up there now. We're going to test the temperature. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited to go.
Felix?
Cold, but yeah, we'll be alright. We'll be alright. Specifically on the person and not the trash. It's like, no trash people here.
Okay, so you're gonna stay behind, or?
Yeah, go fuck yourself.
'It's really cool, it's really high, and we're going up to the top. You mother... What is that? Look at the size of that leaf! Oh my god. That is huge. Anyway, we're going up to the top now, so there's a stairway here. I guess it's a 60-meter climb. Let's go. What's cool as well is that the 3 of us are solo travelers, and I met Felix about over a month ago in Cambodia. If you watch the elephant video where we went to the elephant place, this is the boy. And then we separated for over a month. He went and did Vietnam, I did Thailand. And then met him on the islands in Thailand. And then we separated for a week when I went to northern Thailand, and look, the 3 of us have regrouped here in Laos. It's really cool, it's really solo traveling, you gotta do it. Oh shit!
Yeah, this way or the other way?
Look at this! Look at the stairs! Okay, let's try it. If it gets too dangerous, then we can turn. Are you sure about this? Ah, it's okay. This is cool. Oh! Woo!
Turn that ass!
So you should be a while sweeping all these steps. Sabadi! Boom!
And swim there, okay?
Swim there, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. A swing? Excellent, okay. So we've made it up to the top now, and finally we're walking across this little bridge here. If you fall into this water, you're going over the edge, look.
Oh, do you? My flip-flops are so slippy because my feet are wet. I know, I'm over-exaggerating. You're not going anywhere if you fall in here, but we're going over to have a look at the edge. Only if it's safe, by the way. I don't take risks because I think it's stupid, and so many people have died by falling off waterfalls. So just be careful if you're going to waterfalls, please, because they're beautiful, but they're also extremely treacherous. I guess that's the swing he was talking about. You could swim here, it's safe, there's a mesh and everything, and the current's not too bad either. Woo! I'm holding onto a fence here, okay? Oh. How is it?
Oh, it's really
Woo! Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Just drying off with a nice white towel from the hotel. My grandmother Nina would love that now, wouldn't you, Nina? Sure, look, it's not my towel, it's not my problem. Going back down is an absolute bitch. An absolute, especially if you're wearing wet flip-flops. It just adds to it. So I guess if you are coming here, maybe wear some good footwear. However, that being said, it is very doable with flip-flops, very doable, but it's just stressful. Just eating those views up, yeah? Just eating the views up.
Yeah.
Delicious looking views. So I guess that's where we were swimming.
Imagine a body falling down there.
Check out these long exposures I just tried on the little waterfall over there. I think they came out pretty cool. I never tried that before, but really, really nice. Secret lair under the waterfall here. No one knows where we are. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at that coward. Sure, but we're walking along this bear enclosure again. I think it's such bullshit. It's like free the bears, and yet they're living in this really, really small cage. And look at the fence. Anyone could scale that. I could scale that. There is electric fence there, but imagine if that ran out of power. They'd eaten me for dinner, that's for sure. Rescued and happy.
Hold on to your butt.
Okay, so back in Luang Prabang, and the waterfall was really good. I 100% recommend going. What do you think, Alex?
Yeah, it was really fun. Recommend going early in the morning though, when the tourists don't get there.
Yeah, so perhaps like maybe don't go on the minivan, maybe do get the motorbikes, which are very expensive, about 9,000 a day, €9 a day without petrol, or maybe try haggling with the tuk-tuk. Felix, any advice?
Not really, like, it was super good. Go there, that's my advice.
Okay, so we're gonna eat our noodle soups, don't drown, and we shall see you real soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new around here, hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny, so what are you waiting for? Comment down below with your feedback, constructive criticism, whatever. I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video real soon. Woo! Cow soy, baby. Good luck.
Oh, we've gone topless because it is hot, sticky, sweaty, wet. But sure, look, sure, listen, sure, lads, we're mopping up this mountain still. It's a lot further than I thought it'd be, boys. We've been going for about 10 minutes here when, you know, thought it would only take about 5, but maybe we're near the top. She's not from Laos.